Tired of your Qlik Sense dashboards looking a little Euro blah? Let's transform those visuals from drab to fab by customizing their background colors. First, select the visualization you want to jazz up in the Properties panel on the right. Navigate to the Appearance section, then open the Presentation drop-down. Under Presentation, you'll find Styling Mode. Set this to Custom if it is not already. Now, scroll down to the Colors section. See at Background Color option. Click on the color swatch next to it. A color picker window pops up. Here you can choose from a wide range of options. Pick a color from the color gradient, use the solid color selector, or even input a specific hex code for the perfect shade. As you select a color, the background of your visualization updates in real time, giving you instant feedback. Experiment until you find a color that complements your data and enhances readability. Feeling adventurous? Use the expression editor to dynamically set the background color based on data conditions. This can be especially powerful for highlighting key insights. And that's it. With customized background colors, your Qlik Sense visualizations will not only look more professional, but also guide your audience to the most important information. Now go forth and create visually stunning dashboards.